I've got this one section in the front of my house, and it's kind of an eyesore as you see from the street. First, I'm going to take what's called a 2x3, and I'm going to set it up next to it, and I want to mark it just a little bit taller than the electrical panel that I want to cover. Next, I'm going to take a speed square and use it to mark a straight line across the board. This is a perfect tool for this job. Next, I can take a jigsaw or a handsaw and cut the board straight across the line. What I need to do this is 2 boards of the same length. So I'm going to use a speed square again, mark a line, and I'm going to get it cut straight across. Once I got these 2 just straight and nice and cut, I'm going to lay them on a table, and I need to take a lattice that I cut to the right width and set that up on the boards. I'm going to situate them just perfect toward the right to the edge, and then I'm going to use some staples to put them in place. Staples will hold a lot better than nails because it grabs more of the area on top. I'm going to work my way down on one side, putting the staples in, and then I'm going to go to the other side, pull it tight, and do the same thing with the staples and put those in. I also want to make sure that I cut out for the meter. That way it can be read. So I'm going to sit it up right next to where it goes. I'm going to mark the 4 lines that go around the lattice. I'm then going to bring it back over to the table, mark those across, and I need to cut them with the jigsaw. Just an easy cut all around the side there will make it to where the meter will stick through. Little mistake, I should have painted this board before I put the lattice on, but I didn't, I forgot. So I'm just going to give it a nice coat of paint, do the best I can, no drips, and put it in place. While that paint's drying, next I'm going to take a cedar board for fence pickets, and I'm going to make a little box with it. These are really nice and neat. I can put those together. They're 24 inches wide. And again, like I said, I'm going to build a box. So I'm going to put the 3 sides together using brad nails, and then I'm going to put some end pieces on. I should have probably used some wood glue also to hold it together, but it was a smaller box and it went on great. Once I got it put together, I'm going to put some screws on the sides towards the bottom of it, and then I will stick it on there and go ahead and also screw it from the back. Now I need to secure this to the side of the building just using 2 small screws. I'm going to go ahead and put some dirt in there because I need to put a planter. Now the side of this house gets super hot. Anything I plant will probably die, so I'm going to use some fake plants, put those up, and run some vines up there. What this does is it turned it into a beautiful side piece that covers the meter panel, but as you can see, I did cut out the side there to allow the meter to be read anytime it needs to. I think it turned out great and it looks really awesome. I hope this inspired you to build your own outdoor curb appeal hack.